Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I share sweet and sour chicken. Ingredients include frozen chicken thighs. You can also use other parts of chicken instead. Depends on personal preference. Topping with pineapple. Tricolor bell peppers. If not available, only one color is okay. A small piece of onion, 2 scallions. Prepare the sweet and sour sauce first. Convenient operation later. Half a brown sugar, a tablespoon sugar, a tablespoon white vinegar, a tablespoon red vinegar, half tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. This is hawthorn fruit. You can buy it at the variety store. If you can't buy it, don't use it. You can also use hawthorn cake instead. 6 tablespoons water. After boiling, steam for 20 minutes. Cut chicken thighs into pieces and season. Do not cut too thin, it will affect the feeling of eating. As in the film is enough. Seasoning. A teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon salt, half tablespoon soy sauce, pinch pepper, small amount of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Spare. Chop up the other ingredients. Cut the spring onion into 3 to 4 centimeters long. Cut the pineapple into small pieces. This time I used canned pineapple to make it. It works better if you use fresh pineapple. Cut the bell pepper and onion into small pieces. Spare. The sweet and sour sauce has been steamed. Discard the hawthorn fruit. Spare. Add an egg white. No egg yolk. Egg yolk will make the color more beautiful, but the brittleness will be reduced. Egg yolk can be used to make other dishes. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix well. Viscosity as in the film is enough. Wrap raw potato starch and fry. Coat the chicken evenly. For frying, the oil temperature is about 150 degrees. Turn to medium and low heat. Add chicken. Shake the wok lightly. Don't stir with a wok shovel. Wait for the shape fixed. Shake the wok lightly. Non-stick bottom is enough. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 1 minute, stir gently with a wok spatula. Heat them evenly. Fry for 3 minutes. Remove. Scoop up excess flour. Open the maximum fire. Raise the oil temperature to 200 degrees. The oil temperature has exceeded 190 degrees. Add chicken. 1 minute is enough. Keep the fire on. Otherwise the chicken will not be crispy enough. Pick up. Pour out the oil from the wok. Wash the wok and add a little oil. Fry the ingredients until half cooked. Add a small amount of sweet and sour sauce and cook for a while. Pick up, spare. Add remaining sweet and sour sauce. Turn on the fire and bring it to a boil. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking. After boiling, add a small amount of salt. Thicken the soup. This time I will not add cornstarch water. Make the sweet and sour sauce as thick as possible. The sweet and sour sauce has thickened. As in the film is enough. Turn off the fire. Add toppings, chicken and scallions. Stir fry evenly, do not open fire. Otherwise, the cornstarch powder will dissolve and affect the crispness of the chicken. Put on plate. Sweet and sour chicken completed. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.